In this video, I am going to show you how to freeze header rows and columns in Apple numbers. So let's see how we can do this thing. This is on sample table, and this table has couple of stock information is there. So let's see how we can freeze the top header. So to make the header row freeze, we at first we need to click on top of the headers, and then the header row will be selected like this way. And right side we'll see the row number 1, that means this is the header row, and next to the row number there is a small arrow. We just need to click here and it will bring this type of menu. From here we have to choose freeze header rows, and once we select it, the top row will be frozen. That means if we scroll, this row will be fixed. See here, look carefully. So data is scrolling but the top row is frozen. In this way we can easily freeze the header rows. Same way, if we want, we can actually freeze the column also. To freeze the column, at first we need to click the column, so the column will be selected, and next to the column basically there is a small arrow. We just need to click here and a new menu will be appeared. From here we have to choose freeze header columns, and once we click here, this column will be frozen now. If we scroll, we'll see, scroll to the right, we'll see that this column is fixed, it's not changing. So that's it. In this way we can easily freeze header rows or columns in a Apple numbers document.